do these problems in 5 minutes because I only have the basic plan for this program. So I first box out my like terms, then I'm going to indicate, I box out my terms, then I indicate my like terms. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. So I got my these two. I'm going to forget about the variable for now. I just realized that. We got minus 3/4 and plus 7/8. What's a simpler way to write that? Well, I need common denominators first, right? Because we multiply that by 2. All right. Then we have negative 6 plus 7 would be positive 1. Different sign, subtract. And so that's going to be 1/8 x. That's a positive 1/8 x. And then I'm going to stop there, and now I'm going to do these two. I have a minus 1/3 and a minus 1/2. 3 and 2 both go into 6. I have to times 3 by 2, so times the 1 by 2. I know it's minus. And times that by 3, times that by 3. It's still minus. All right, minus 2 minus 3 gives me minus 5. So negative 5/6 or minus 5/6. There we have it. Now I don't have to put that plus there because it's understood. Next one, box out my like terms. There's no sign in this first term. I like to put it. Then I'm going to do my variable terms first. So I have the 9/10 and the minus 3/5. Common denominator times 2 times 2. And then I have 9/10 minus 6/10, which is 3/10. So I have 3/10 y. And then my next one, I'm going to do these guys. I have positive 1/4 plus 7/8. Got to get my common denominators times 2 times 2. So that's 2 and 7. They're both additions. So that gives me 9/8. Some of you asked me about, do I leave it 9/8? Sure. As we get further into algebra, improper fractions are actually easier to deal with. You could have put 3/10 y plus 1 and 1/8. That's the same thing as well. Or you can flip-flop those and change the order. Okay, but I got to move on. All right, let's get my variable terms together first. That's 1/2 plus 5/6. We have a common denominator of 6. We have to multiply that by 3 times 3. That's negative 3 plus 5/6. Since it's a negative 3 and a plus 5, that's going to give us a positive 2/6, which equals 1/3. So that's plus 1/3 a. Now we're going to do the other ones. That's plus 2/5. We're simplifying that with minus 1/10. 10 is our common denominator. And times 2 times 2, so that's 4. We have 4 minus 1, which is 3/10. So that's going to be plus 3/10. Boom! Don't need that. Hopefully you are feeling confident with this.